everybody, this is Jacob Nolly with the Graphite Lab. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up payment terms inside of your ServiceTitan account. So today I'm in our settings and I've gone over here and I'm in invoicing payment terms, and this is our payment terms section. In order to set up a payment term, obviously you'll have your payment term set up here, but let's say you want to set up a net 30 payment term. So the way that you can do that is go ahead and click here to create a payment term. We're just going to call it net 30, and then but what you can do is basically set up your payment options here. So you can do a due upon receipt, due in a fixed number of days, due by a certain day of the month, or due by a certain day of the following month. We're just going to do a fixed number of days, and we're going to set that to 30. And we are going to just go ahead and click save. So you'll see what we've done here is we've created our new net 30 item here. Same with our net 15. So let's say we want to come in here and do a net 15. So we'll call this one net 15. Due by doing a fixed number of days. We'll just set that fixed number of days to 15, and we'll go ahead and click save. And you'll see that net 15 one appear there.